In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the keyboard color on your Samsung device. Changing the keyboard color can add a personal touch to your phone and make it more visually appealing. Luckily, Samsung provides an easy way to do this. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Accessibility. After that, tap Visibility Enhancements. And then tap High Contrast Keyboard. Enable this option by toggling this switch. Now you have 4 different keyboard styles to choose from. So go ahead and tap and select the one you like. This is exactly how you can change the keyboard color on a Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.